To everybody, today I am going to discuss about quick lifting jack with a bevel gear mechanism. First of all, I am going to discuss about screw jack. What is screw jack? Screw jack is a type of machine element which uses for lifting the loads. The bevel gear screw jack has been developed to cater the needs of small and medium automobile garages, which are normally man-powered with the minimum skilled labors. Which means we know that all the lifting devices like screw jack, motorized screw jack, and ordinary, there are many types of jacks are available in the market, but we want high efficiency with less effort. From this bevel gear screw jack will definitely achieve more efficiency with minimum effort. Most of the garages, the vehicles are lifted by using screw jack. Many vehicles, materials, machines, heavy machinery, all we can lift it with less effort. More recent developments have concentrated on improved efficiency and durability, resulting in changes in both lead screw for screw jacks. Which means improved efficiency, means durability, reliability, and that screw jack is a bevel gear. With the use of bevel gear, we can lift high loads, heavy loads with minimum effort. That is the use of this. Come to the objectives. In several automobile garages, reviewed the facts that mostly some difficult methods were adopted in lifting vehicles for conditioning. Which means several automobile industry also we use this mechanism to lift heavy loads. It's a suitable device has been designed so that the vehicle can be lifted from the floor without application of impact force. It means without the application of heavy force by man, we can lift easily the load. In order to avoid all such advantages, the bevel gear screw jack has been designed in such a way that it can be used to lift the vehicle very smoothly without any impact force. This is also the same. Details about the bevel gear screw jack. Screw jack is a portable device consisting of screw mechanisms to lift the loads. And bevel gear screw jack consists of a threaded rod, two bevel gears which are mounted perpendicular to each other. In one bevel gear, the a screwed rod is mounted, in which the two gear and the thread meshes to lift the load via threads. Bevel gear jack can be either hand operated or power driven. That can be handled by man or by power. With the use of electricity, we can also lift the load. It works on vertical manner in order to raise and lower the load. In order to raise the load, we will turn the hand wheel into the anti-clockwise. For lowering the load, we will turn it reverse or anti-clockwise direction. This is a diagram of this bevel gear screw jack. There are two bevel gears mounted perpendicularly to each other. In one bevel gear, the screwed rod is inserted and the end of the bevel gear is provided with hand wheel through this bearing or plumber block. When we rotate this hand wheel, the bevel gear which is in mesh with the perpendicularly mounted another bevel gear in which the threaded rod is inserted will raise. If we turn clockwise direction, it will raise the load, and if we turn anti-clockwise direction, the load will be lowered. It's a working principle. This involves the screw and nut mechanism in which the bevel gears kept at right angles to each other causes the screwed rod to raise or down. When the bevel gears are rotated by the hand wheel supported with bearings and bush causes the engagement of screw thread with the perpendicularly mounted bevel gear. Due to this, the load lifted placed on screwed rod with the continuous movement. Which means what I said now, when we turn this wheel, the bevel gear is rotated. When the bevel gear two bevel gears are rotated, inside the bevel gear there are internal threads will be provided with respect to threaded rod by the mesh of two threads. Means in bevel gear and thread rod. By meshing, it will turn along the pitch, so that the distance moved to lift the load. Components used. The various components used in bevel gear screw jack. First, bevel gears: bearing, bush, handle, supporting rod, screw rod, cast iron sheets. We see this. This is a bevel gear arrangement. Means both are mounted perpendicular to each other to transmit vertical power in the form of lifting loads. This is a bevel gear. This is mounted and it is connected to the hand wheel. This is the come to the advantages. The loaded light vehicles can be easily lifted. Checking and cleaning are easy because the main parts are screwed. Handling is easy, repair and replacement are also easy. Only the complexity in production of bevel kits only. Disadvantages. Come to the disadvantages. Cost of the equipment is high when compared to other ordinary jacks, and care should be taken providing grease, oil for the easy movement of the gears to lift the loads easily with less effort. And if the alignment of the bevel is not correct, we may face difficulty. If the alignment or arrangement of the bevel gears with the bearings, bush and all, if it is not correct, we will definitely will face that the stucky nature. Means it will stuck, it doesn't move, and load cannot be lifted if such kind of difficulty we face. Applications. The major applications we find bevel gear screw jack in following. Means automobile industries, aircraft applications, marine engineering and handles, differential drives will use this bevel gear screw jack in order to lift the heavy loads with less effort. By turning the hand wheel or by power electricity application, you can use this heavy load with less or minimum effort. The conclusion said that screw jack are the ideal product to push, pull, lift or lower the load of anything from a couple of kilograms. The need has long existed for an improved portable jack for automotive vehicles. The primary thing is that it should be capable of lifting wheel of a 4,000 to 5,000 pound vehicle off the ground. Means by the dimensions, by providing the dimensions with the arrangement in the dimensions, we can say the capability of the lifting of the bevel gear screw jack. If we increase the dimensions of the bevel gears and all the arrangement, we can lift the load, heavy load we can lift. Otherwise we can lift less load if the dimensions are small in the arrangement also. Thank you guys.